Here's the Google Pixel Fold, and you have an issue where you have a black screen. It could be when you open it up, or back here it could be black. However, even though the screen doesn't turn on, you know that it's still on. Maybe you can get phone calls, you feel it vibrating, you hear notifications coming in. Or another way to make sure that your phone is on even though your screen is off, if you just plug it in, you can hear that chime and you can also feel it vibrate. Okay, now take note that this one here is fixed, but we're going to pretend that we have a black screen here. Okay, again, it could be on the when you open it up, or it could be on the front here, or it could be on both. Okay, so first thing is, if you have a case on here, take the case off. Next thing is we're going to go ahead and open the phone up like this, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to restart it using the keys here. Okay, so let's pretend my screen here is black. So first thing is this, what you want to do is press and hold the power button and the volume up. You want to press and hold both buttons, count to 15 seconds, and then let go. Okay, so we'll do this together. Okay, let's pretend my screen here is totally black, and we're going to do power button, volume up, ready, set, go. Press and hold, and just pretend my screen here is totally black. Okay, so keep on holding for 15 seconds. Keep on holding. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let go of both buttons and just wait patiently for it to boot back up. Okay, give it like 15 seconds or so until we see the Google logo appear. Hopefully you get a Google logo. Okay, so just wait here. Oh, there it is. Okay, hopefully you see that, and hopefully your screen is up and running. Okay, and if it was this screen here, you can always just close it and check it here as well. Okay, however, if you still have a black screen, the next thing we're going to do is this. So pretend my screen here is still black. So again, next thing, we're going to open this up. We're going to go ahead and plug in charging cable. Give it a little bit of juice. You should have felt it vibrate and hear that chime. And just give it like 5 or 10 seconds. Just wait. And now, while it's plugged in, we're going to do the same thing. Okay, power button, volume up, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding for 15 seconds. Don't worry about what's happening to my screen here. Continue to hold for 15 seconds. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let go, and it's still plugged in, and let's wait for it to boot back up. Hopefully you see that Google logo. Again, it's going to take like 15, maybe 20 seconds, so just be patient here. But I don't want to fast forward or cut this part out because I want to let you guys actually see how long it takes for the logo to pop up. Okay, we got the Google logo there, and wait for it to boot up, and hopefully you guys are up and running now. If your screen is still black, then we're going to go to the next possible fix here. Okay, so if your screen is still black, no problem. Next thing we're going to do here is what I call the massage method. But before we do that, what we want to do first is find your power button, and I just want you to spam it 4 times. Okay, no more than 4 times. Power button right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't click it 5 times, because then if you have the emergency SOS enabled, it's going to call like 911 if you're in the US. Okay, so no more than 4 times. Okay, because your power button could be like jammed or stuck. You might have lint or coffee in it and whatnot, and it can cause a black screen issue as well. Okay, anyway, I just clicked it 4 times. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make sure it's open. Now I'm going to do the massage part. Okay, so I'm going to open up the phone like that, and you can get like a cloth or something if you don't want to smudge up your screen. But what we're going to do is massage the screen with both of our thumbs like this, and you want to press kind of hard all over. Okay, you want to get all over, press all in the corners. Keep going, because it's possible that you may have a ribbon cable that's slightly dislodged. And believe it or not, a little press around the screen can pop that into place. Okay, so keep pressing here. And sometimes you're doing this, the screen might pop on, you might get half a screen, you might get white lines. Just keep pressing kind of hard all over, okay? All on the side. Now, you want to go ahead and turn it over, and we want to do the same thing, okay? You want to do it on the screen and on the front screen here and the back of the phone, okay? So go ahead and you can start over here and just press. And if you guys hear a click, you know, especially anywhere around here, just go ahead and tap the power button and see if it's on, okay? Anyway, continue. The front screen here, press. Give it a nice massage, okay? Press kind of hard, press all over. Same thing on the back here, okay? You want to press, press, press. All over, also all around the lens, okay? Even on the corners here, press, press, press. A little bit on the lens here, press. Keep on pressing, okay? Go ahead and turn it over. Tap that power button and see if your screen is on, okay? If it's still off, no problem. From here, we're going to go ahead and restart it using the 2 key combination again, okay? So pretend my screen here is black. Again, power button, volume up, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons. Continue to hold for 15 seconds. Don't pretend my screen here is black here. So I have no idea what's going on. It's a black screen. Count to 15 seconds. 12, 13, 14, 15. Now go ahead and let go and wait for the Google logo to appear. Hopefully that does appear for you. So again, you have to be patient here. Except this time I'll just, it takes about like 20 seconds or so. Let me just put it on pause. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it's booting back up. Now just wait for it to boot back up and hopefully your screen is now working on both sides, okay? Now if you still have a black screen, the next option I have for you is what I call the freezer method. Grab your phone just like this and we want to open it up like this and you want to go to your freezer, okay? Go to your freezer and put the phone in there naked just like this and wait 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, grab your nice cold phone, tap that power button and see if your screen is on. If your screen's not on, then you want to do the 2 key combination again. Power button, volume up. Press and hold both buttons. Count to 15 seconds, then let go, and then wait for hopefully the Google logo appears. Now here's the thing. If you tried all the methods all the way to the freezer method and you still have a black screen somewhere, then what I would advise is start back on step 1, try step 2, try all the steps a second time. No, doesn't work? Try it 6, try it at least up to 7th time, okay? Sometimes the 7th time is a charm. And if you guys did all the steps at least 7 times, and at least 50% of you guys should have a working screen now. So if you guys have any questions or anything, comment below. Good luck, guys.